This is the second SUV on the channel. Let's do the entrance test. So let's see how easy it is. 2018. This is your point of view. 245,000. What up guys? Welcome back to a new Inside series. A very special one, a personal one, because yes, this, what you're hearing idle, the GT3 RS, a facelift model, is the dream car. I'm doing an Inside series of my actual dream car, the facelift GT3 RS, and this one here behind me, the new Cayenne Turbo. And yeah, what's actually really cool, this is the second SUV on the channel, so I'm really excited bringing you some SUV exterior, interior details, but of course the rev shots from that V8 bi-turbo engine. I have over here something really cool, aka the option list. So what do we have? These are the base options of the turbo: air suspension, Porsche surface coated brake, 21-inch turbo wheels, LED headlights with Porsche dynamic light system, adaptive front seats, heated seats, Alcantara roof, and Bose surround system. Engine 4 liters with a total power of 550 horsepower. The base price is 202k and a bit. That's in the Netherlands, including the tax. The color of this Cayenne is Biscaya blue, metallic, and interior leather black. Okay, let's highlight a few options of this full option list. We have the Sport Chrono package, Porsche dynamic chassis control, we have Porsche ceramic brakes, 21-inch RS Spider design wheels, adaptive cruise control, seat vents in the front and the rear, Burmester 3D high-end audio, LED matrix headlights, so we've upgraded the base LEDs to LED matrix headlights, including PDLS Plus, panoramic roof, comfort access, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, 4-zone automatic air conditioning, soft closed doors, interior package aluminium, giving this Cayenne Turbo 2018, the new model, a total price in the Netherlands of all these specs, 245,219 euros. The Porsche Cayenne Turbo, the 2018, generation number 3. Let's start on these matrix LED headlights. So the lights are turned on, as you can see that the LEDs are turned on and the matrix headlights. Some cool designs over there, look at that. We have like a row of lighted LEDs. So in the center you have your main matrix, and on the outside you have your day driving lights. So you have 4 LEDs and those side lights. Porsche design on your headlights. If you continue down, we also have here 2 LED bars, also an identification of Porsche, of the modern Porsche these days. If you go down, you can see an identity of the turbos, the big intake for the left intercooler, and you can see how clean she is because she's brand new. Here below you can see the park pilots, also here a little intake giving the intercooler some extra air. This is, by the way, gloss black. Okay, the center big grill, you can almost think it's smiling towards you or wanting to eat you. So there behind we have the radiator in black and the big sensor over here. Here we have your front camera, 2 park pilots also in the front. Continue all the way to the wheels. So these are the optional wheels. We have P0 tires with measures of 285, 40, 21-inch in the front. You can see the rims are chrome and grey inside, so we have a 2-tone rim. That big massive caliper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute, is it 8 pistons? Okay guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are 8 pistons brakes. Huge discs. LEDs in the side mirrors. You clearly see we have privacy glass all the way in the back. Rear measures, the tires, 315, 35, 21-inch. And in the back we have 4 pistons of the brake calipers, ceramic brakes again. Okay, let's continue to the rear side of the Cayenne. So first of all, you can see that we have a spoiler, just like the turbos have. There's also an electronic adjustable spoiler controlled in the front. In the back also a privacy glass, and those new rear LEDs. It's the new modern rear lights of the current Cayennes, and also the Panameras, so you can really see on a distance that you're heading towards a Porsche with those LED lights. One big bar, some chrome and red and black details. And what's really nice is that this bar goes all the way to the other side, giving you a really wide feeling of a really big car. The exhaust pipes. So the turbo you can recognize on the 4 squared exhaust pipes. Stainless steel, and we have a little rear diffuser, still giving you a sporty, aggressive look. Not to forget that we're talking about an SUV with some functionality, still for some use for off-roading. Exterior checked, now time to pop the trunk and a V8 bi-turbo hood. Okay, so the rear trunk we can control from the key. If I push this button, there we go. So we have some automatic controls to close the trunk and to close the trunk and lock the car at the same time. So this is your rear trunk space, actually really big. So for example, if I'm going to sit on this, you can see how large it is. I think I can lie down. I'm not going to do it, but I can lie down for sure. So here below you can see that we don't have a spare wheel, with a tire repair kit over there. And something for the Burmester system here. Here you go, the Burmester high end. I think this is actually the subwoofer. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. And you can pull this to store your space, to give your private stuff some privacy. Okay, let's pop this hood. Show you the engine of the Cayenne Turbo 2018. 4 liters V8 engine. Oh yeah, you can clearly see that we have a big plastic cover. Everything is underneath. What's cool to see that we have 2 air enters over here. I guess these are the 2 air boxes on the left and on the right, entering the air of the chambers. And here is where all the power gets produced. Okay, let's close this SUV beast and get inside the Cayenne. Okay, let's get started on the doors. I fired this up because it's boiling inside. So at the doors, first of all, you can see we have a lot of black leather. Leather with some black stitching all the way continuing down. All leather. Also inside here we have leather. Down here, surrounding the Burmester high-end 3D audio. Also this is leather. Here's some nice silver trims. The buttons to control the windows and the mirrors. Memory seats and the buttons to lock or unlock the car. Here we have the door sills, making you reminding that you're in a Cayenne Turbo. And the optional sport seats. Within the headrest, turbo written. And not to forget, fully electronical adjustable. Let's do the entrance test. So let's see how easy it is to get in the Cayenne Turbo. Okay, she is a bit high, but still your entrance is quite easy. Welcome inside. Okay, let's fire this baby up. Here we go. So if you're the driver in this Cayenne Turbo 2018, this is your point of view. Yeah, definitely a luxurious view. Yeah, it really looks like you're only looking at screens. I mean, this is all a digital screen, this is a digital screen, and here we have all touch buttons. Okay, let's get started on the light switches. Well, actually no switches these days. We have touch buttons. So here we control all the light systems. This is the design of the vent with a metal control to adjust the vents. Really nice, with a good firm touch. Surrounding a lot of leather. This is all leather. Here on the dash there you can see the Burmester high-end audio system again. In the center you can see the big vents, a speaker in the center, the black Porsche Sport Chrono clock over here, high gloss black, and the aluminium trim. Okay, that beautiful Porsche steering wheel again. So here you have controls for your left display over here, you can see, and here on the right the controls for the right display over there. Shift down, shift up, the PDK double clutch transmission. Here we can control the car's programs, so you can see if I adjust it on the steering wheel on the right, where you can also touch it if you want, because this is a touchscreen, but it's more easy while driving to quickly adjust Sport, Sport Plus, normal or individual. The steering wheel heating button is over here. There you go. Let's turn it off since it's like 30 degrees outside. Let's have a look at this beautiful big center console. First of all, we have this big screen. Here you control everything from your sat nav to your media, phone, your car programs and settings, climate systems, even apps like weather, news, etc. Driving assists, sound. You can adjust the sound. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful, and how easy these days you can adjust everything by a touch of the screen, by just a touch of the screen. All right, so all integrated in one big screen, beautiful modern center console, and all these buttons are touch screens. So for example, I want to switch to the climate menu, to the source, to my media menu, or just home. To control the temperature, you just push this firm button up, really nice, really firm. I love firm buttons. Volume control with a metal scroll button for the heated seats, ventilation in the seats, front and rear heating of the windscreens, and your suspension settings, Sport, Sport Plus or normal, and the button to turn off the traction control. Beautiful silver Cayenne logo here, and that cool gear knob with a park button over here, and a really cool firm grip on the gear knob. Here we have a little ashtray, cigarette lighter aka 12 volt input. Here we have a big armrest with wireless charging and 2 USB inputs. Here in the roof you can see the Alcantara leather. It's it's black gray to be honest. And here on top you have the buttons and the controls for the interior lights and the panoramic roof. So let's first fold this sunscreen. You can see how large this roof is. Yeah, it's large. Almost there. And when you pop the panoramic roof, only this front part goes open. And we have some light. Alright, front section check. Let's get into the back seats. Okay, the rear doors. There we go. So again we have that black leather with aluminium trims and the gloss black around it. All leather here with the black stitching again. Also here in the rear, that beautiful Burmester 3D high-end audio. And these electronic adjustable sunscreens. In the rear we only have the door sills Cayenne. I think because of the space it's too small to put turbo next to it. And the black leather seats. So getting in those rear seats of the Cayenne is actually more easy than the front seats. And if you're the rear passenger in this Cayenne Turbo, this is your point of view. Yeah, it's large, definitely. I definitely get a limousine feeling. I mean, look at this space. I have more than enough space for my legs, also for my head. I mean, I'm 1.77 meters. And here in the rear section we also have a little climate system. You can adjust your temperature, your heated or vented seats, or just put it on automatic. Here we have again 12 volt input, aka cigarette lighter, and the two powered USB inputs. Here below a little ashtray again. And you'll see some little space to put some documents, for example. In the Alcantara here on the side we have a little vent, just like the other side. Here you have on top two little LEDs. Yeah, and this panoramic roof is huge, beautiful when driving on beautiful scenery. And also in the headrests written turbo. Oh, by the way, in the armrest we have two cup holders and a little cup holder here. Alright, exterior check, interior check, option list check. It's boiling inside. I'm gonna get outside. I'm gonna set up the camera because it's time for the rev shots. 4 liters bi-turbo V8 producing 550 horses on all 4 wheels. Let's get rolling on the rev shots. Still sounds a bit decent, but hey, it's not a 911. It's a luxurious SUV, but still giving you some pops. And definitely when driving this on the road under pressure, when boosting the turbos, she's gonna sound better. Thank you for watching my second SUV on the channel, the Porsche Cayenne 2018 3rd generation turbo. If you need any info, check out my links below. There you can find me on all my socials. Now it's time for that baby over there. You already saw it in the beginning of the video. The Porsche GT3 RS MK2, aka my dream car. Thanks guys, ciao!